This tutorial will demonstrate how to download and install the lame encoder in order to export as an mp3 in Audacity. Once you have something recorded in Audacity, you can go to File, and if you've decided to not save the project as an Audacity file and would instead like to export as an mp3, click on Export, choose the mp3 option, give the file a name, and go to Save. This is the tag menu where you can insert the tags. Click OK if you're not going to enter any tags in. And in this case it says that Audacity needs the lame encoder. So if you have not installed it yet, go ahead and click on to get a free copy of lame, click here. So go to Download. It's going to take you to the Audacity download page found on the web. And here, how do I download and install the lame mp3 encoder? You can see under the Windows we have the lame download page. If you were doing this on a Mac computer, you would scroll down and go to the Mac OS X section. So here we want to go ahead and do lame download page. And this is where you can download different files off the Audacity site. Now notice here that it takes you over to a different site here, the download page. And again, Audacity being a free program, they got to use different ways to try to make money. And one of those is through advertising on their site. And so there are a lot of advertisements on here. And as it highlights right here, the lame library downloads below, not the banner. So you don't want to click the big green download button, even though that would seem to make sense. You want to go ahead and scroll down into this section right here under the red banner where it says lame on Windows. If you were to go back to this page, it gives those directions clearly right here. So if you want to read through those steps, that gives you those directions. But again, come back to the download page, scroll down, avoid all of the different advertisements, and what you want is the lame version 3.99.3 for Windows EXE. Simply click on that, and since I'm using Google Chrome, it's going to automatically download that into the download section of my Google Chrome and Documents. And once that is installed, it'll show up at the bottom. So I simply click on that and begin to run the installation. You'll get a security warning because you're installing an executable file. Then go ahead and click Yes. And you can begin the setup wizard. Simply click Next and Next, and you'll see it's going to install the lame for Audacity in the program files. Click Next and Install. It's a very quick install. You click Finish and it's done. So you can minimize that and you can go back to Audacity. Now the first time you try to do this, hit OK, and it may not work. It could not open the mp3 encoding library. That's okay. Hit OK, and you just need to try it one more time. So now go back to File, Export. Here's my file, my mp3 name, test3. I'm going to save that, hit OK, and it works. And just like that, it took and put this test mp3 file right there on my desktop. Once you've done that process, from here on out, it'll always be set up ready to go. So you don't have to go through all those steps. Every time you record again, you can simply go File, Export, and change your name and save your mp3 file. So that is the process of downloading and installing the lame encoder for Audacity in order to be able to export as an mp3.